Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. This is part 7 of practical scenarios videos in Angular, and in this video we are going to cover 3 more practical questions in Angular. One is conditionally apply styles using ng class in Angular. In our previous video we have seen how to conditionally apply styles using ng styles in Angular. Now we are going to use ng class here, and the next one is display states based on country selected using drop downs. So here we will be having two drop downs. One drop-down is filled with countries, and another drop-down will be dynamically filled with the states based on the country selected by the user. And the third one is how to navigate and send data to another component in Angular. Here we are going to navigate by using router link, and we are going to write our code in the HTML. So let us see how to do that practically. For this I have created a project called testproj, and in this I am going to write my entire code in app component.html and ts. Now I am going to app component.html, and I am taking a div here. Inside this div I am going to use some h1 tag. Inside this I am going to write some text. My color is going to change, and for this I am going to create two classes in the CSS file. So the first class is class 1, and to this class 1 I am going to take background color as black and the text color as white, and I am going to take another class here. Background color is blue, and text color is white. Now I want to apply these styles to my text based on the condition. So first I am going to create a boolean value or boolean variable is text colon boolean equal to true, and to this h1 tag I am going to apply ng class equal to, I am going to check this condition is text. If it is true I am going to apply the style class 10, and if it is false I am going to apply style class 20. So let us save this, and I want to take a button. So once user clicks on that button, change color. So once user clicks on this button, this particular method will be executed. So inside this change color I am going to make the value of is text as false. This dot is text equal to not this dot is text. So this condition will change the color from So change the boolean value from true to false. If it is true, it will make it as false, and if it is false, it will make it as true. That's it. Let us save this. So we have not missed anything here, so let us save this and head back to our browser. So first we have to compile this, run our project. So let us refresh this. You will be able to see the text and a button. My color is gonna change and change color. So initially it is in black color, and once user clicks on this, its background color will be changed as blue. So in this way we have achieved the first one, and so the second one is display states based country selected using drop downs. So for this, first I am going to remove this, and I am going to take one drop down, select a tag. Inside this select, we will be having option. So first we are going to app component.ts. Here we will create countries array. In this countries array, I am going to take India, and the next one is US, and I am going to bind these countries to my HTML by using ngFor. And I am going to use interpolation and bind this country here. So once user select anything, I am going to get it by using ng model. To this ng model, I am going to take a variable called country selected, and in app component.ts I am going to create this variable. And once user changes this, I am going to call a method by using change event handler in my select dropdown. So once user changes this particular method will be called. So inside this method, I am going to write my code. So before that, I am going to declare states equal to empty array. So once user changes this, I am going to check the condition. If this dot country selected equal to India, then I am going to assign states with some values. Telangana, Uttar Pradesh. So if user selected UK, then I am going to assign states with other values called Texas and New York. So let us save this. Now I am going to app component.html, and here I am going to create another drop down where I am going to bind these states by using ngFor directive. I am going to bind the states. And here I am going to use interpolation and display state to the user. So we have given states here, so I am going to bind states. So let us save this and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here we have got two drop downs, one is countries and another one is states, and once user clicks on India it will be binded with different states, and if user changes to US it is binded with another states related to that particular country. So in this way we can change one drop down based on the value from another drop down.